How to see who shared your post on Facebook. Open the Facebook app on your phone. You'll land on your homepage where you can see posts from pages and friends. Now, tap on the notifications icon at the bottom panel. Here, you'll see all your Facebook notifications, including when someone shares your content. As you can see, notifications will show when someone has shared your photo or post. Now, tap on the menu icon at the bottom, then go to your profile at the top. Scroll down to find the post you want to check. Once you locate it, tap on the shares count displayed below the post. This will show you exactly how many people and who shared your post. And that's it. Following these simple steps, you can easily track who shared your post on Facebook and monitor your content's reach. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, please like and subscribe to ClickFix for more quick tutorials.